Hey, what's up? My name is Sackless, and today I'm going to be redoing my Simple Quests tutorial. Now, I've gotten a few complaints over the last few weeks and months that my old Simple Quest tutorial, which is one of my more popular videos, has some issues with it. And whether that's I made some issues, which, I don't make any issues. I'm kidding, I make lots of issues. Or if the tutorial is just outdated, I feel like it's time to update it. Plus, I've gotten better at coding, and we can do some little aesthetic things to make it look better and just make the tutorial better. So I feel like I'm gonna have to go back and redo some of my early tutorials for two reasons. Partially because I've gotten better, partially because code has changed a lot since we were in beta. Alright, so let me show off this quest. I'm on this tiny little island here, which I think looks really pretty, and I'm gonna talk to Kia. That's her model name. And she says, "Please, adventurer, there's a wolf by the beach. Can you slay it?" Of course I can slay it. So I happen to have a sword here, and the text comes up that says kill the wolf. I equip this sword, run along this beautiful path, and there's my enemy, the wolf, which is not much of a challenge. I slay the wolf, I get text confirming I've slain the wolf and to return to Kia. I run back along the path, come back to Kia, interact with her. She says, "Thank you for slaying the wolf. Here, take these coins." And then I get 10 coins. And that's the quest. This is a very easy quest to do. And in fact, all the code is housed within Kia. Our player is a completely standard third-person adventurer brain. Which, if you're wondering, is this brain right here. Put that brain in, nothing changes. Our wolf, it doesn't matter what model you use. You could use a goblin, you could use another person, but I fitted the wolf with the enemy brain right here. Just the normal enemy brain. That's all I did, left it at that. Then Kia, she is the one that houses all of our code. And because I didn't want to use any variables, because this is a beginner tutorial, everything is done through pages, and I was able to do this pretty easily within 4 pages. If you don't know how pages function, don't worry, I'll explain it to you. It's super easy. So first thing we need to do is we need to establish that she's on our team, so we can't accidentally kill our quest giver. So once team, oh, that's neutrals, team, come on, equals team 1. Team 1 is a default team for our player, so Team 1 can't hurt other Team 1 players. Next, we want her to rotate to look at our player whenever we walk by. So when player objects closer than, and let's do 10. Oh, I accidentally put a space there. 10. When the player is closer than 10, we are going to turn toward it. Where's it? There's it. There we go. Now this particular line of code, we're going to copy and paste across all the pages, so keep that in mind. Next, we need to have two different lines of codes looking to see if the wolf is still alive. So, when not, and let's pick our world object picker. Let's go grab our wolf, who's right here amongst a pile of bones. When not, wolf is dead. So it's looking to see if the wolf is not dead, or if the wolf is alive. Now let's make a child line of code. To make a child line of code, you make a new line of code, select the number, bump it to the right, and this line of code won't function until this line of code is met. And then when interacted, we're going to switch page to next page. Let's go to that. So on this page, this is a page that kind of informs us that the quest is active. So what we're going to do first, we need to copy and paste this line of code because we still want our Kia to turn towards the player. Then for the duration of, let's do 6 seconds, let's have Kia say something. Have her say, "Please, adventurer, there is a wolf by the beach. Can you slay it?" There we go. Then we're going to have a countdown timer for 7 seconds. This is where we're going to add a little bit of aesthetics, just to make it look nice. This isn't necessary, but it looks good. Quest. We're going to display quest slay the wolf. And we're going to display this at screen center at font size large. There we go. And if you wanted to make it a different color, like let's make it red. You go to the colors, red. There we go. Next, we're going to do another countdown timer for, let's do 10 seconds. It's worth mentioning, this number will stop this line of displayed text from appearing. So if you want this text to display for longer, then you'll need to make this number bigger. But this is only going to display for 3 seconds. Then we're going to switch page, previous page. Alright, so that's the basics of it. Now we need to go back to the first page. This is still the starting page. And now we need to do when our wolf is dead. Rather than waiting for an interaction, we're going to immediately switch to page 3. When we're on page 3, we are then going to copy and paste the turn toward the player line of code to page 3. And then, for the, not countdown, for the duration of 3 seconds. No, let's make it 4. This one had a little bit more text. Display text and put, let's see, wolf slain. Return to Kia. I think that's how you say it. Again, we're going to position this at screen center and make it large. And what the heck, let's make this blue to signify there's no longer a threat. Then, when, oh, I keep switching pages, when interacted, switch page, next page. Or you could do switch page 4. On the next page, once again, we need to copy and paste the turn towards code. And for the duration of 6 seconds, going to say, thank you for slaying the wolf. Please take these coins as payment. There we go. Pretty easy. And once again, we're going to do a countdown timer for 7. But this time, we're going to make another child line of code. And we're going to have the duration of it last for 10. Now, we're also, rather than making this 10 seconds, we're going to have it 10 in frames. Then we're going to create, go into our gallery, and we're going to look up coin. Grab the coin. And what this does is it will create 1 coin per frame. So if you want more than 10 coins, you need to do 12, 15, 20, whatever. And if you only want to give them 1 coin, you could do duration timer 1 in frame, or 2 in frame, or however you want that to work. Now, we want this to be at position, and now we need to grab our player, because we want this to appear and be immediately picked up by our player. There we go. And also, after 7 seconds, we can have the... no, let's not do that for now. But yeah, that's pretty much the entire quest. Now, yeah, let's give it a try. If you're wondering how I got this sword to stick in the barrel without flopping around or doing what normal swords do, I put it in the barrel, went into the settings, went to the physics, and turned its physics type from tumbling to fixed. That way it won't fall out of the barrel. Let's give it a try. Alright, let's talk to Kia, who will turn to look at us wherever we go. Talk with her. She says, "Please, adventurer, there's a wolf by the beach. Can you slay it?" Of course we can slay it. So, let's grab this sword. Quest, slay the wolf in scary red font. There's our wolf, who's really no problem to kill. Wolf slain. Return to Kia. So we can return to Kia. Interact with her. Thank you for slaying the wolf. Please take these coins as payment. Then, 10 coins. And that's the quest. So, if you guys are interested in how to make a super simple fetch quest, for example, or if you have another type of quest that you'd rather see rather than a go out, slay, kill kind of quest, please let me know in the comments. I'd be happy to make those for you if you're interested. I hope this resolves any problems that you guys had. This is a better and a more stable and, of course, more modern simple quest. So, thank you guys for watching. I will see you guys later.